Hi there, I'm Melissa Galbraith, the fiber artist behind MCreativeJ, and today I'm going to show you how to do the raised seeding stitch. So this is very similar to the seed stitch, except you can see it's a little more raised off the fabric, and it's a fun way to create texture. So how we do this is we come up where we want the start of our seed stitch, and we go down a short ways away, like so, and just gently tug. So we make a little loop on the front of our fabric here. And you can make this kind of as long or short as you want. And then I kind of like to just hold it right here with my finger, and I'll do another one nearby. So come on up, and then go back down, and we leave a short loop on the front of the fabric, like so. And we repeat. Come on up, and put our stitch down in whatever direction we want for this stitch. And we just want to gently tug so our stitches aren't too tight to the fabric. They're not flush like the regular seed stitch. This one is slightly raised off the fabric here. Just like so. So it makes little loops on the front of our fabric, so it's a raised seed stitch. It's easy and a fun way to create some cool textures. You just need to be a little gentle and not tug too tightly with this stitch. So I hope you have fun using it to create some cool textures with your next project.